This problem is asking me to compress this expression into one logarithm. I know that this is possible because all of my logs have a base of 3. So I need to start with the order of operations. Many of these, actually all of these, have a coefficient which indicates multiplication. And before I can deal with the addition and subtraction, I need to deal with those coefficients. So I'm going to use the power rule to rewrite this expression with all of my coefficients as exponents. Okay. Now that I have all of those written as exponents, I can start looking from left to right with quotient rules and product rules. So what I notice is that I have log 3 q to the 4th minus log 3r squared, so that's going to be quotient rule, so that can compress into log base 3 of q to the 4th over r to the 2/3 power, and the rest of the function or expression remains untouched. Next, I notice I have addition, so I can use the product rule. Log base 3 q to the 4th times f to the 1/2 all over r to the 2/3 power, and the minus log base 3 of p to the 6 remains untouched. And that indicates that I have more quotient rule, so I'm going to do log base 3 of q to the 4th f to the 1/2 over r to the 2/3 p to the 6th. Now I prefer to see my fractional exponents as radicals, and I know that f to the 1/2 power is the square root of f from my properties of exponents, and r to the 2/3 power is r squared cube rooted. So I'm going to substitute that into my single logarithm. Log base 3 q to the 4th square root of f over the cube root of r squared times p to the 6th.